Hi, this is Jim Wyckoff with your weekly cropsite.com grain outlook. We're starting out the week mixed in the grains. We had a change in the weather forecast over the weekend. On Friday, and really late last week, the grain markets were supported by some hotter and drier weather forecasts for the U.S. Corn Belt. However, during the weekend, those forecasts moderated a bit, calling for a little bit more precip and lower temperatures later this week and into next week. So that has put some little bit of downside price pressure on the grain markets. However, I want to point out that these forecasts in the summertime in the Corn Belt can really flip-flop and change on a dime. Would not surprise me to see the forecast flip-flop once again. So we are probably not out of this weather concern situation. As the week progresses, we'll just keep an eye on the weather to see what develops. We are heading into the key pollination stage for the corn crop over much of the U.S. Corn Belt, and if we do get any hot, dry winds coming across the region, that will excite the bulls once again. As far as demand goes, we've seen recent good export demand across the board for U.S. grains, and that has also put a floor under prices. But the main fundamental factor right now is the weather. From a technical perspective, the corn crop or the corn market is in control by the bears still. We've got some downside price action recently. We're still not that far above the 2.5-year low we set in new crop December corn futures last week. Soybean market has backed a little bit off its highs. The bulls need to do some work there on a technical basis also. And technically with the wheat market, the bears are still in firm command. Wheat will be a follower on any significant price moves in corn and soybeans. That's it for now. Until next week, this is Jim Wyckoff.